Hello everyone, this is Wali and welcome back to Mukta Arts and Studios. So in this session we are going to show you chiffon printed sarees. So let me explain my saree first. So this is the one and only saree that I am wearing on with kalamkari print. In rest all of the sarees we have floral work, floral printed sarees in the background of chiffon saree. So if you can see this clearly, we can have beautiful prints of elephants and many other designs on complete saree with checks background. So coming to saree color, it's in lighter shade of green, pista green with maroon on borders. So on borders we have a very lighter shade of maroon with pista green on complete saree body, and on complete saree we have got kalamkari work. So let's have a look at the mannequin pieces. So here comes the first saree on mannequin with a lighter shade of pastel grey and pink. So these are simply printed chiffon sarees, and you can see this floral print on complete saree with two different shades, pink and grey. So also on borders you can see the lines given here. So we have darker shade of hot pink and browny pink on borders. So here is the second piece with blue. So we have two different shades of blue on the saree. Also you can see a light green shade on leaves when it comes to saree body print. Let's have a look at the rest of the pieces. So the print is similar in all the sarees. So we have hibiscus flowers on this. So coming to saree color combination, we have cream, wet pink on it, hot pink and cream color. So this is how the saree is with lines on border. So these are chiffon floral printed sarees with the pallu and a contrast colored blouse for this one. So here is the blouse. Let's see the price for this one. So it costs 2,500 rupees only. So here we have another saree. So this is darker shade of green. So we have pastel grey and drama green on this saree, and saree looks too colorful with its two beautiful colors. This is the pallu and the blouse is beautifully designed. So here this is the blouse. So prices in this session are 2,999 only. So for all the sarees that will be showing in this session are of single range, 2,999. So here we have pastel grey and pink on this. So we have too many pink shades in this collection. So on this you can see sunflower patterns. Previously we have seen hibiscus flowers, rose flowers on the saree body. Here we have sunflower patterned floral print on this with pallu. Let's have a look at the blouse for this one. So you can see apple print on this blouse. Price is 2,999 only. So let's see the next piece. So we have grey with royal blue on this one. So sarees are too pretty, very lightweighted. You already have an idea of how chiffon material is. So these are chiffon printed sarees with pallu. So even on this one we have apple print. So we have got apples on this blouse. Price for this one is 2,999 only. So previously we have seen Rama green with this color combination with a background of grey, And here we have darker shade of leaf green on this one. So if you can observe, we have pastel grey with the background color for many sarees that are shown in the session. Here comes the pallu. So on this blouse also we can see apple prints. So we have green colored apples on this blouse. Price is 2,999 only. So sarees in this session are of similar price, 2,999 only. Let's see the rest of the collection. So we have green with mustard yellow on this saree. So the floral print given on this one is a bit unique when compared with the other sarees. So we have mustard yellow on borders with lines. So you can see two different shades of mustard yellow on the border lines with the pallu. And this is the blouse. So on this blouse we have floral print with mustard yellow. Price for this is 2,999 only. So here is the order sheet. For your orders, please do contact us on this number, WhatsApp number. So from the saree shown in the beginning of the video, if you have liked any, take a screenshot of that saree and share us on this WhatsApp number shown here. So for any further enquiries, you can definitely reach out to us on this WhatsApp number. Also, we have placed Google Pay contacts here on this note. So take a screenshot of this note and keep it handy. We do ship throughout the globe. So the sarees looks too pretty with different flowers on the saree body. So now let's have a look at the next piece. So on this you can see multiple colors. So the background of the saree is in grey with navy blue on borders. So let me read out the colors here. So we have rose floral print on the complete saree with rama green and coffee brown color roses on complete saree. So this is how the saree is. So very lightweighted saree with a navy blue colored pallu and a contrast colored blouse. So on this blouse you can see this diamond shaped print. Coming to its price, it costs 2,999 only. So here we can see two colors. So in the upper and bottom part of the saree we have lighter shade of baby pink. So in between we can see this pastel grey colored in the background of the saree. So and on top of it we have this two different shades of yellow hibiscus flowers and mustard yellow on two sides of the border. This is the pallu. And here we have the blouse. Price for this one is 2,999 only, 2,999 only. So we have seen many shades of yellow, green and pink. So now let's have a different color. So we have purple with violet on borders. So also on the saree you can see this pink colored flowers. Saree looks too pretty in live. With pallu. Now let's see what we have on the blouse. So it's a different print on this blouse. Just have a look at it carefully. So we have unique print on blouses for all the sarees shown in the session. So we have got apples on one. We have floral print, we have seen diamonds on many of the blouses. So now let's see the next piece. So here we have grey with tomato red and orange mixed color. So we have sunflowers on complete saree with lines on two sides of the border. This is the pallu. So we have apples on this one. Price is 2,999 only. So on this we have two different shades of green, darker shade of leaf green and lighter shade of sea green on the sari. So we have parrot green color floral print on this with lines on borders. Here is the pallu. So this is the blouse. Price is 2,999 only. So this is pastel grey with hot pink, and you can see sunflowers on this with pallu. And apples on this blouse. Prices are 2,999 only. So for orders, please do contact our order number here. So ఇప్పుడు వరకు చూపించిన సారీస్లో మీకు ఏది నచ్చినా వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ ఉన్న నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. For online payment, you can also contact this number. We do ship throughout the globe. So guys, hurry up and place your orders. So you can see brick red and pastel grey on this sari. So on border lines we have this golden shine. So it's a simple line on two sides of the borders with pallu. And here is the blouse. Price is 2,999 only. So we have seen such pattern before, and here we have different colors, peach with pastel grey and hot pink on borders with pallu, and here is the blouse. Price is 2,999. So now let's see the next color. So we have pastel grey and green on this. So it's a darker shade of pastel grey with green, Rama green. Here is a pallu. And this is the blouse. Price for this is 2,999 only. Let's see the next one. So we have orange with pastel grey on this one. So the background for most of the sarees are in grey color with sunflowers. Here is a pallu with apple print on the blouse. Price is 2,999 only. So let's have a look at the next piece. So we have onion pink with brown on border with pallu. So all the sarees are designed in same style with a unique floral print on each and every piece. So we have got lines for each and every saree border. Also we have this golden line on two sides of the edges. So let's have a look at the next piece. So we have many different shades, but most of them are with a background of grey. So let's have a look at the next. So here we have pista green in the top and bottom with grey color in between the saree. So this is how the saree is. With pallu and here is the blouse. Price for this is 2,999. So this is beige with orange on borders. So you can even see pink color on complete sari body with pallu. So this is the blouse. So price is 2,999. So we have pastel grey with royal blue on borders. So on this one you can see different colors. We have royal blue, sea green, grey and brown colored flowers on complete sari with the pallu. So we have a contrast blouses for all the saris shown in the session. Price is 2,999 only. So here is a pretty color sari with yellow and brown. So you can see brown colored floral print on complete sari with lines on borders. Here is a pallu. And this is the blouse. Price is 2,999 only. So we have rose flowers on this, roses with orange and mustard yellow with a background of pastel grey. And also on borders you can see this orange colored lines with pallu. And this is the blouse. Price is 2,999 only. For orders, please do contact us on this WhatsApp number. So if you don't have liked any sari shown from the beginning of the video, you can take a screenshot of that sari and share us on this WhatsApp number. We do ship throughout the globe. So guys, hurry up in placing orders. So on this you can see different shades of green. So we have pista green in the sari background with mehendi green on borders. And also we have different colored flowers on complete sari with pallu. And this is the blouse. Price is 2,999 only. So this is royal blue and pastel grey. So here is the pallu with apple printed on blouse. So we have got apples on this blouse piece. Let's see the next one. So coming to the prices, so sarees shown in this video are of similar range, 2,999 only. So all are of same price. Here we have yellow, orange and pastel grey in between the sari. So we have hibiscus flowers on this with two colors. So we have dual color on the flower, yellow and orange. And this is the blouse. So we have contrast orange colored blouse for the sari. Price is 2,999. So in the beginning of the video I have shown such color combination with violet and lavender. So this is the second piece with a similar color combination, but the floral print given on this is different with pallu. So we have only two colors 2 sarees in this color combination. Price is 2,999. So we have cream with mustard yellow on this. Pallu. And this is the blouse. Price is 2,999. Let's have a look at the final last piece in this session. So it's been differently designed with multiple colored flowers. So we have roses on the saree with pastel grey and mehendy green on borders. With pallu. And here we have the blouse. So we have boxes given on this. Checks boxes. Prices. So it's 2,999 for the sarees shown in the session. All are of similar range, 2,999 only. So for orders, you can please contact us on this WhatsApp number. If at all you have liked any saree shown from the beginning of the video, please take a screenshot of that and share us on this WhatsApp number. We do ship throughout the globe. Also, we have Google Pay contacts placed on this note. So take a screenshot of this note and keep it handy. That's it. Bye-bye.